Hey divers and water lovers, welcome to our new channel.
Matt and Megan's Dive Reviews.
I'm Matt.
I'm Megan.
We'll be traveling the world looking for your best dive sites.
And telling you what you need to know.
Hi all, welcome to our 5th video in the Aruba series.
We dove 5 sites over 4 days with Aruba Water Sports Center on Palm Beach.
Looking back on the series, Aruba was a great dive destination, and it is definitely worth a pause in your tanning on the beach to explore the reefs and wrecks the island has to offer.
Planco Reef is located just southeast of the Jane C. wreck off of Renaissance Island.
This dive was meant to be the finger, but a strong current caused the dive to be cancelled.
Instead, we made a short trip over to Planco Reef, and we were quite happy that we did.
This reef is home to the green moray eel, and we were amazed to view one being cleaned by a family of shrimp.
The other draw for this reef are the many anemones swaying in the current.
Like the Jane C. wreck, our video from this dive was corrupted, but we have plenty of photos to show you from the reef. This will be a drift dive. You'll enter and exit the water without a dive line. The mild current shouldn't be an issue, and if you stay shallow at the end of your dive, you will not have a safety stop. 4 out of 5.
We drifted northwest across the reef, staying shallow to extend our tanks after using a few hundred psi on the canceled dive.
The visibility on this site was about 60 feet, 3 out of 5.
We stayed about 35 feet deep, but the reef extends from under 20 feet to 100 plus, giving this site many different profiles to explore.
The current wasn't too strong to prevent you from taking your time to view everything on the reef, but it is a drift dive, so the current will always be present. 3 out of 5.
There is a large variety of animal life on this reef, and you will encounter many eels and starfish. 5 out of 5.
There are beautiful shelf and brain coral everywhere you look on this dive. Anemones and soft corals fill out the landscape. 5 out of 5.
Overall, this was our favorite non-wreck site in Aruba. We would love to explore it again. 4.5 out of 5.
Sit back and enjoy. Let us know in the comments what your favorite species were from this site. See you next time.